By today, oil palm and Lysojoinensis has become an important crop in our country, Malaysia. Malaysia is the world's largest exporter of palm oil and become the world leading palm oil producer with 14.9 million tons of oil palm per year respectively. However, a disease species of Ganoderma which causes basal stem root disease in oil palm devastated thousands of hectares of planting in Southern Asia, especially in Malaysia and Indonesia. The disease has been found to infect oil palm as early as 12 to 24 months after planting, with increased incidence on 4 to 5 year old palm, particularly in replanted areas or areas underplanted with coconut palm trees. The disease is presently the most prevalent and devastating disease in oil palm cultivation, especially in mature palm areas in Malaysia. Basal stem root can kill up to 80% of the stem by the time when the palm are halfway through their normal economic lifespan. What is basal stem root? Basal stem root disease (BSR) remain one of the major obstacles in oil palm cultivation. It is caused by a white rotten disease, Ganoderma boninense, which reduces oil palm yields in most production areas in Malaysia as well as Indonesia. To date, BSR is administered using cultural control practice, biological control agents such as trichoderma and selected systematic chemical fungicide. However, to date, none of the control have been proven to effectively control BSR in the report field. The difficulty of managing this disease is because it does not show external symptoms on the matured palm until the advanced stage. Upon reaching this stage, the infected tree may not be able to respond to the treatment given. What is symptom of basal stem root? Characteristic internal symptoms appear as light brown dry root lesion of both the stem and bole, occasionally with visible mycelial growth and narrow, dark band of tissue between the light brown lesion. Basidiomata appear at the stem base when disease has been long and thus extensively established. How about control method of basal stem root? Firstly, we are using physical control, which is ploughing and harrowing. Large plantation often use 2 rounds of ploughing, 260 cm depth, and 1 round of harrowing to chop up the remaining root in disease-prone areas before planting new seedlings. Number 2 is cultural control. Sanitation or removal of disease material, which is the removal of disease material, is usually carried out in 2 situations in existing planting where basal stem root is evident and at replanting stage. For many years, burning the material has been common, but this is creating environmental issues in the region. Quarantining, shredding, and isolating are other ways in which the roots of healthy palm can be prevented from coming into contact with those of diseased palm stem or roots. Number 3 is chemical control. Basically, in Malaysian plantation, they will use hexaconazole through trunk injection. The process of trunk injection must be done with equipment such as driller. First of all, we drill about 50 cm at 30 degrees angle. After drilling it, we inject it with the chemical. Number 4 is biological. Planting leguminous cover crop (LCC). Mandatory in some plantation, the practice of planting ground covers while controlling weeds and erosion may in fact be introduced leguminous species which are themselves susceptible to Ganoderma boninense, so must be undertaken with caution. Lastly, number 5, which is integrated pest management (IPM). We do full excavation of previous root mass, shredding of debris, and soil mounding to prolong productive life of Ganoderma infected palm. The white root fungus Ganoderma boninense is now known as a major threat to lucrative palm oil industry in Southeast Asia. In conclusion, there is an urgent need for an intensive genome project is undertaken on Ganoderma boninense. This is a perfect example of a situation where the adage prevention is better than cure hold true. Fortunately, there has been some decrease in incident of devastation since management of the field has been better understood, but a strong unmet demand for research into resistant oil palm and biological control remain if the economic benefit of palm oil industry are to sustain in Southeast Asia. That's all from me. Thank you.